Alright guys, so I am bleaching the hair and the knots. As y'all can see, this looks a hot mess. Y'all know I don't really bleach hair. Basically what I did was, I didn't even record me doing it. I literally just used these two. This is my first time trying out that bleach. I don't really know how I feel about it yet, but I'll let you guys know. And I used 40 volume developer. And I literally just slathered it all over the hair. No rhyme or reason. Didn't do anything neat or not. I just wanted a few little highlights. So we'll see how it comes out, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, of course, welcome. All right, so in the first beginning of the video, you guys kind of seen how I, put this hair together as far as bleaching it and doing styling. Now for the people, some people like really in-depth type of videos. I feel like I'm crooked here. Let me try to fix something. But anyways, I know a lot of people really like super in-depth type of videos, but honestly, I didn't do a lot, guys. I'll go ahead and briefly explain to you guys how I really achieved this look. It was like super easy, like products and like easy steps, because I know a lot of people like easy and a lot of people are first-time wig wearers, so this is just for you and for other people who just don't feel like doing much, because I don't. So yeah, what I used was, I did show you guys in the first beginning as far as the powder bleach and the 40 volume developer. That is the only thing I use on this hair. I did not tone this hair or anything. I don't have time for all it. I just wanted to go for like a more highlighted like look. So what I did was literally I just mixed the 40 volume developer with the powder bleach, and I slathered the mixture onto the hair. And that's all I did. And I just let it sit on there for about 15 minutes because it was 40 volume developer and it was changing like really quick. So I just let it sit on there for like 15 or 20 minutes, and then I washed it out and I got this color, which is super pretty. I'm looking in the mirror down here. It's like super pretty, and this has a lot to do with the powdered bleach that I used. It was a new type of powder bleach that I seen in salads that I picked it up. So yeah, it came out looking like I toned it or something, and I didn't. It just came out this really beautiful blonde color, which looks great. And yeah, that's the only thing I did. The only thing I did. Literally slathered it on the hair. No rhyme or reason. I just put it on the hair in a very messy fashion because I just wanted these peekaboo like highlights. So that's what I got. So after I washed it out, I just blow dried it. I didn't let it air dry, girl. I know that's probably what you're supposed to do, but I just wasn't gonna do it. So I just blow dried it, and I added some one curls in it, just like with my with my little curling iron right here. I don't know, this is like a half of an inch. I don't know how big this is, but anyways, I just did that, and I got that from like Walmart. I put literally like some really big clunky curls in it because I didn't want anything like too defined, and you guys know I don't like curling as it is. So I just put like big clunky like curls in it, and I just combed, like finger combed the curls pretty much. I did not do anything to the frontal, the closure. I'm sorry, this is a regular closure. I didn't do anything to the closure, y'all. I just literally like parted it on the side because I wanted a side part. I did widen it a little bit, but as far as like plucking the closure, I didn't do any of that, and I didn't add any baby hair because I didn't want baby hair with this look. I always add baby hair, but this time I was like, no baby hair. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much all I did. I have a little hairspray in the hair, and child, that's it. And I'm just loving it. Y'all know I never do no baby hair look, but I'm feeling it. I'm really feeling it. I'm giving off like classy, like bossy, like vibes, and I'm loving every minute of it. So I know a lot of you are gonna ask me, did I put the closure down? No, I didn't, and the reason why I didn't is because I make my closures to fit my head, so it's very snug like this. I don't have to worry about it like coming off or anything like that because it's snug on my head. If I wanted to put it down, what got to be, I could. If I wanted to like add an elastic band, I could do that too. But it's actually pretty snug to me, and I don't have to put it down. But for the average person, if they just want extra security, I don't know, maybe they're about to jump out of an airplane or something like that, it will be ideal for them to actually tack it down. Okay, but yeah, this is what I got, and like I said, this was such a quick and easy tutorial. Just a nice, if not everyday look, prom look, I don't know, homecoming, whatever case may be. It's just cute, and like I said, this was achieved with a closure. You guys know I love frontals, but when it comes to my closures, I am like a go hard closure fan because they're just so quick and easy, and you can just pop your wig on whenever you want to and blop it off. You don't have to worry about doing all the gluing and tacking down and stuff like that. It's just quick and easy, and you ain't gotta worry about your edge either. Okay, so anyways, guys, yes, here's another look at what it looks like. Literally did this style in probably in less than like an hour. The whole coloring and curling and things like that, less than an hour. Did I tell you guys the links? I don't think I did, but let's go with the links really quick. I do have an 18-inch, a 20-inch, and a 22-inch. I have an 18-inch closure. Okay, so I do have 3 bundles in a closure, which was more than enough to finish this actual look. Okay, so if you're wondering, could I just do 3 bundles in a closure? Of course you can. Okay, and even if you get a even if you get a frontal, sometimes you can even do less lengths than that. Sometimes, not all the time, sometimes you can get away with like 2 bundles in a frontal, depending on what links you get. Okay, so anyways, guys, that is pretty much it. I don't want to make this too long. Any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below, and I will definitely get back to y'all. Oh, all links will be down below also, and I'll see you on my next one.